recorded class, and this is the November 19th, 2004 class. So how about let's start with our calendar? So let's check for our date today. Today's date is November 19th, 2024. That's our date today. And from our calendar, November 19th is in this part of the calendar. It falls on a Tuesday. Today is a Tuesday. Now, how about since we know our date for today, let's go move on to our counting. So I have here our numbers from 1 to 25. Let us count our numbers. I'm going to check it for you, and you can also count with me while I check it. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So those are the numbers that we have, 1 to 25. Now, how about for our work on our screen work here? So you'll have to prepare a whiteboard marker, your whiteboard, and also the eraser. And if you don't have any of these things, maybe you can also write on a piece of paper along with your marker to write on. So let's go start writing for our end words. First word that I am going to write is the word nut. So let's write it N, U, and the letter T, nut. This is nut. N-U-T, nut. I can eat a nut. That's nut. Okay, another one. We have non, N-O, and the letter D, nod. When you nod, that's you moving your head up and down, and it's also a gesture for a yes. Nod. You agree. You say yes. Next one, we have our net, N-E, and the letter T, that's the net. Fisherman catches fish using a net. Okay, next one. Nip, N-I, and the letter P, nip. When you say nip, that's when the crab will pinch and nip you. So you have to be careful. Do not stay near a crab. Okay, next we have the word knit. N-I, and the letter T, knit. The knit is also the puto in Filipino. Remember, it's itchy when the knit stays in your head. You want them out of your hair on your head. That's the lice that will try to make your hair itchy. So how do you take it out? You have to clean your hair. You have to wash your hair all the time. And you need special shampoo to treat your hair so that the knit won't stay in your hair. Okay, after knit, let's do the last N word. It is the nap. N-A, and the letter P, nap. When you take a nap, you're taking a short, sweet nap. Okay, let me erase this one. And let's move on to another part. Done already with our N words. I am going to guide you in reading our sentences with the N words, okay? So how about let's read the following sentences. I like this newspaper. Let's read it again. I like this newspaper. Last one. I like this newspaper. So we have our newspaper to read. Okay, the next one. I like this nurse. Let's go back. I like this nurse. Last one. I like this nurse. So we have our nurse, the one that takes care of the patients along with the doctors in the hospital. Okay, the next sentence on our screen here. I like this necklace. I like this necklace. Last one. I like this necklace. So the necklace is what you wear around your neck. Let's move to the next set so that we can read it. So here we have the first one. I like this net. I like this net. Last one. I like this net. So remember, the fisherman catches fish using a net. Okay, another sentence. I like this narwhal. Next one. I like this narwhal. Last one. I like this narwhal. A narwhal is an animal that lives in very cold places. And they have this one, a horn, to help them go through pieces of ice so that they can also swim through it. And it helps them to cut it, to break the ice so that they won't get trapped. Now that we read some of our N words, let's move on to spelling. Let's put the right letter for each box. So if I sound it, what's our letter? It should be letter N. Sound, because our word here is nip. Okay, nip. The crab will nip you if you stand close to it. Nip. Eh. In the middle, sound, that is I. Sound. And the p sound, that's letter P. So we have eh, nip. We have our word nip, and let's write nip. N-I, letter P. That's how you write the word nip. Okay, next, let's move on to the knit. See what I told you about the knit? That's the one that stays in your head if you don't clean and wash your hair. So we have knit. Let's sound it. The first letter, sound. Letter N. So we have eh, eh, t. Letter D at the end to make the word knit. N, I, letter D. That's the knit. Knit. Okay, next one. We have the N sound here in the starting part, in the beginning. For the nap. 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 I want to take a nap. It's a short, sweet nap. N, A, letter P. Nap. So let's go back. We have nip, knit, nap. Those are our N words. Okay, let's erase this one. Let's move on to the next set. Okay, we have our net. Let's sound it out. Letter N. E, t, t, E. To make the word net. N, E, and the letter E. That's our net. Okay, next, what else is our word? Let's go to the nut. Sound, nut. N, letter U, and letter T to make the word nut. N, U, and the letter T. Nut. Nut. Okay, next we have sound. That's letter N. Letter N. O. O. T. T. E. To make the word not. I will not. N. O. The letter T. Not. So let's read our words. We have net, nut, and not. Okay, what about, since we're done reading our N words, let's sound out and sort them. Because remember, we'll have to put the words if it has the N sound in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. So let's start first with our nest. Where can we put nest? Nest. Nest. Nest has the N sound in the beginning. Okay, next. Pencil. Pencil. Where's the N sound? In the middle. Okay, how about this one? The queen. 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 It's at the end. Okay, what about money? Money. 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 It's in the middle. Okay, next. What's the letter N? Where's the letter N in wagon? Wag on. Wag on. Sound, listen first. Wag on. Mm, It's at the end. Okay, what about the nurse? Nurse. Where's the N sound? You have to listen. Nurse. Nurse. There's N in the beginning. What about net? Net. Net. In the beginning also. Okay, dinosaur. Dinosaur. It's in the middle. What about moon? Moon. Moon. There's N in the end for moon. Okay, this one. Newspaper. Newspaper. It's in the beginning. What about magnet? Magnet. Magnet. It's the in the middle. What about nose? Nose. Nose. Where's the end sound? The beginning. What about your van? Van. Van. Where's the end sound? Beginning, middle, or end? Van. It's at the end. So let's check for the things that go in the beginning part. There's N in nose in the beginning, nest, nurse, net, newspaper. There's N in the middle for these words. Pencil, money, dinosaur, magnet. What about at the end? Queen, wagon, moon, van. So those are words that has the sound. The beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Now, since we're done already doing our sound count, how about let's go to our booklet. So it says here, my N book. Please trace for your letter N and write also for your name. And you get to color for your necklace. Because necklace begins with the letter. Now, if you're done writing for your name and tracing for letter N, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll erase for this one, okay? Because let's move to the next page. Part of your work is to trace for your letter N. So let's start with capital N. You have to line down, go back up, slide and up. Line down, go back up, slide and up. Line down, go back up, slide and up. Some more. Line down, go back up, slide and up. Last one. Line down, go back up, slide and up. Capital N, lowercase n. Line down, make a hump. Line down, make a hump. Line down and a hump. Line down and a hump. Line down and your hump. So those are the letters capital N and lowercase n. Remember, N has the N sound. If you're not yet done with this work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Please let me move on to the next page. And this time, let's find for our N inside the bubbles. So let's color. Find all your letter N's, both capital and lowercase letter N's. So am I done coloring? Not yet. Not yet. There's a lot more N's that you need to look for. There's a lot of N's here missing. Now, do you think we're done with this one on the screen? Yes, we found all our letter ends. Now, let me erase this, but if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Okay, what about for the next? This time, we have to circle the pictures that begin with the letter N. So, where is our N words? Do we circle for the net? Yes, net begins with N. What about dinosaur? No, leave it blank. Dinosaur begins with E. What about nose? Yes, nose begins with N. What about kettle? Kettle begins with the letter K. What about for newspaper? Yes, newspaper begins with N. What about for ladybug? No, ladybug begins with L. If you're done with this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's jump to our flip book. Now, we already read our words and sentences for this flip book, but I'll get to read it to you while you write for your name. Okay? So, I like this net. We have our net. I like this narwhal. This is a narwhal, a kind of animal. I like this newspaper. You can read a newspaper. I like this nurse. She is a nurse. I like this necklace. Necklace is a kind of jewelry. Now, if you're done writing for your name, good job. But if you're not yet done, again, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. I love to move on in color for the pictures. We have our end pictures here. Try to remember that when you color, try not to get out of the line. Teacher's coloring sometimes goes out of the line because this is the online work. It's hard to color the inside of our pictures. We have our narwhal here. Okay, done with my work on the screen. Again, if you're not yet done, please pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let me erase the writings on the screen. And let's go to the next part of our work. And that is to continue on answering for our pages. And this time it is about our sound count. So this is the part where you need to use your book. So we have our sound count work here. Let's go to the pictures. You need to cut the pictures, find the pictures. Some of the pictures are in another page. It's after this one. I think it's on page 97. But if it's not, you can find it there in your book. Now, let's get to also work on this one. Please, I want you to cut the pictures, paste them in the right box. And please do not forget to write your name. So how about I start by putting all the pictures? But if you're not yet done writing and cutting, it's okay. Pause the video, play it again once you are done. So let's go to the first picture. We have the nose. Where does nose go? Nose, it's in the beginning. Nose has the N sound in the beginning. Okay, next, what about fan? Fan, fan. Fan has N sound at the end. Okay, next. Net. Net. Net begins with N. Okay, what about moon? Moon. Moon. There's moon at the end. There's N at the end of moon. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Dinosaur has N. N in the middle. What about nurse? Nurse. Nurse. There's N in nurse in the beginning. Okay, next. What about money? Where's N sound in money? Money. Money is in the middle. Okay, another one. Pencil. Pencil. There's N in the middle for pencil. Okay, next. Newspaper. Newspaper. It begins with N. What about wagon? Wagon. Wagon. There's N. The N. Okay, next magnet. 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 There's N in the middle of magnet. And last one, queen. There's N at the end of queen. So this is how your work should look like with the following pictures. In the beginning, we have the nose, the net, the nurse, and the newspaper. The ones in the middle, we have our dinosaur, money, pencil, magnet. The ones at the end, we have the van, moon, wagon, and also our queen. Now, if you're not yet done with the previous page, pause the video, play it again once you are done. But for this one, it's time for us to do reading fluency. Now, how about let's read? Let's read first before you work on this worksheet. So we have N is for nap. N is for net. N is for nip. N is for knit. N is for knot. N is for nut. So those are the N words. Color your pictures for the nap, the net, the nip, the knit, knot, and the nut. We have this one, the net. These are the pictures of our net. So let's erase. Now, if you are not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to the next one. Next, we have our work for the labeling. Now, if you have your booklet a while ago, we did this work. You color the pictures and you rate it. So now, let's write for these pictures, the words for these pictures. You can use your booklet for that to also read and write the word. This time, let's go write for the first one, nurse. N-U-R-S-N-E, that's our nurse. Next one, newspaper, N-E-W-S. Where's your P? That's P here after S. A, P, letter E, and the letter R. That's the newspaper. Another one, necklace, N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E, the necklace. What about your net? N-E, letter E, net. What about narwhal? N-A-R-W-H-A-L, narwhal. Okay, we're done already with our work on this page. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next page? I'll have to erase the writings on the screen. And let's go jump to our match. So you have to always write your name. Remember that. Write your name on the worksheet at the top. And you get to also trace for your N words, cut the pictures at the bottom, paste, and write for the word again. So I have here nap, N-A, letter P, nap. Net, N-E, letter T, net. Nut, N-U, and letter T, the nut. So let's write N-A, letter T, nap. N-E, letter T, net. N-U, letter T, that's the nut. Let's paste the pictures for each of the following words. I have net, I'll put it here. I have the nut, the one that I screw. So remember, there's also another kind of nut word I forgot to tell you. This time, this is the nut, the one that you screw with a bolt. Use it to fix your things there. It's found in different items in your house, like the appliances need that, the inside of your chairs and tables to make it stand. So we have our nut. And the last one, a short sleeve, is a nut. So this is how your word should look like for your and words in the word match. Now, let's finish this one and let's move on to the next page. This time, let's spell out for our end words. And how about if you're not yet done with the previous page, pause the video, play it again once you are done. We have our nap, N, A, letter B, that's the nap. Again, we have N, A, letter B, that's the nap. You take a short sleep and that's a nap. Another one, your net, we have N, B, letter T, that's the net. Again, N, B, letter T, that's our net. Last one, your nip, please. Nip, N, I, and the letter P, nip. Again, let's go back. N, I, and the letter P, that is nip. So let's read. We have nap, net, and is this one. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to the next set. This time, we have our knit. So we have N, I, letter T, the knit. Again, N, I, letter T, knit. N, I, letter T, knit. Oops, sorry. I think that's not knit. Do you think there's a correction? Yes, because this is a different word. It's the word non. N, O, and the letter D, that's the non. N, O, and the letter D, non. Okay, that's the gesture that you do when you are saying yes. A nod. You put your head, put it up and down, move it up and down. Sorry, move it up and down to say yes. That's nod. What about not? And you, and the letter E, that's the not. So again, we have N, U, and the letter D, that's the not. So those are the N words. We have the knit, the nod, and the not. We erase this one, and if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Now we have a backward because in our previous classes we weren't able to meet. So we'll do your number 7 book, the booklet. So please write your name on this page and I'll do the number 7 on the next page, please. But if you're not yet done with the previous page, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Remember, a hat on the top and slide down. That's how you make your 7. 7 has the letters S, E, B, E, and N. 7. Okay, let's go back. S, E, B, E, N, 7. Okay, next one again. S, E, B, E, N, 7. S, E, V, E, N, 7. So here we have our number 7 and the word 7. Okay, next, our sentences. Let's read and match. Let's go to the first one. I see 3 snowflakes. Make a line. Where's your snowflakes? These are the snowflakes. Next one. I see 7 crayons. Where's your 7 crayons? Here. I see the number 7. The number 7. So there you have our 3 sentences. Okay, What about, let's move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. So let me erase this one. Let's move to the next page, and that is to find our number 7 in the bubbles. So let's color for your number 7s. You can use your dabber to do so. And dab 7, 7. What I do is I look for every row to color the 7. Now, please do not mind teacher's screen. It's hard to use the mouse to color on the screen, okay? But when you do your work there, I want you to color the inside of the lines. And there you go. We have our number 7. Now, let's jump to the next part, okay? Pause the video, play it again once you are done if you are not finished with this page. Let's go to the next part, and that is to paste our pictures that show 7 things and the number 7. So let's put this. Okay, what are the pictures that I have here? If you're not yet done cutting for the pictures, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go to number 7. This shows 7. Let's count for our pairs if it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Does this one show 7? Yes. How many mice do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6, not 7. Does this show 7? No, that's 9. How many nails? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not 7. That is 6. How many balls or candies in the jar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many balls of yarn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 also. So here we have our page that shows 7 things that are 7. Let's go to the next part. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let me go to this one. It shows 7 and does not show 7. Sorting work. So let's see. If you've cut already your pictures, good job. You can now paste for your pictures. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. How many dots in the frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This goes in the knot 7. How many dots in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 in this one. How about for this domino? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That shows 7. What about the dice? Does it show 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. How about the hands? How many fingers are showing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, how many sticks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sliding down. 6 and 7. So that makes 7. Here we have our 7 worksheet. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. If you're done, let's move on to the last thing in our class today. Good job for finishing the work, Zainab. If you finished it, I'll give you the sticker friend for today. And let's see the sticker friends that I have. It's 1 to 5 here. So I'll get to choose for you, and I'll put a check on the sticker friend for you today. It's number 4. And I hope that you finish your work for today. I'll get to see you in our next class. Bye-bye.